So what are we gonna build today?
I don't know.
We're gonna build a fireplace wall in the guest house. So it's gonna be a long modern fireplace, and then above that we'll have the mantelpiece, and then above that we'll have a TV kind of recessed into the wall. So it'll look really cool. And then I think after the end of it we'll do some neat accent paneling around it. And then we've also got to drill some holes for our bath fan. So we'll probably knock the holes out first and then get started on the fireplace wall. All right, first we got to try not to cut ourselves. I'm gonna open up this hole saw. All right, let's do it. Okay, we're on to the next hole for the vent, and we're gonna let the kids try this one.
Okay.
The young adults. Okay, the last bath fan we're gonna drill out, and then we're gonna get started on the fireplace wall. Okay, we've knocked out all the vents. We are going to install the fireplace wall, and it's basically we're studding out the wall an extra 4 inches to accommodate the depth of the electric fireplace and the alcove for the TV. So we're going to start that right now. Okay, we finished the fireplace wall. So this square up here, that's the TV. Down here, that's the fireplace. So it's kind of hard to tell because, I don't know, it doesn't have sheetrock on it or anything yet. But this right here is going to be where the TV is. If you look down a little bit, that's where the fireplace is going to go. It's going to be cool, and had some help from these guys.
Yo.
So we're calling it a day. See ya.
So here's how I would do it.
His hand don't work.
Please don't hit the tree.
I won't.
No. Watch your eyes.
I don't have to put my.
Oh, your eyes. Oh, my God.
The tree.
I won't, bro.
You're aiming for the tree.
I'm not. Am I really out of nails? No.
Your face.
You did hit the tree.
No, I didn't.
Yes, you did. You hit that tree
You
right
are
there.
tweaking. Hold on.
All right.
Oh, do you see it go?
Yeah, we don't need